Welcome back to my channel. It's Alex Z, and today we're gonna talk about how to make at least $100 a day by using 9 different affiliate networks. Let's go. Let's do this. All right, welcome back. So the first network is probably most common and most used network in the world when it comes to digital products. It's called Clickbank. It's a digital marketplace that has tons and tons of different products, all sorts of niches, and a lot of them have to do with like make money online, weight loss, dating, all sorts of niches you can find products on. Now, this is not my primary income stream. As you can see, I haven't really pushed much ClickBank this year. 2018 pushed a little bit, $26,000 we did in commissions. And I will show you in this video what makes me the most money online. But I really want to show you guys multiple options, tons of different networks, tons of different products you could be promoting, whether it's a physical or digital product. We're going to talk about the differences as far as payouts, as far as commission rates, how you get paid, and whether you can even get paid in your country. Because, for example, ClickBank is open worldwide, except for a few countries such as like Nigeria or like North Korea. But even like in Australia, even in like New Zealand, even in like South Africa, I believe ClickBank is open. So you could be promoting products on this platform and making money. Now, I'll give you a tip. In order for you to make money on ClickBank, you definitely want to follow my guideline. So if you really like this content so far, give me a like, give me a subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more of the important videos that I'll be doing for you guys. So hit that subscribe button below. And let's talk about products. So when you go to ClickBank, once you open an account, usually you get approved within a day or so, within 1 or 2 business days, unless they have questions. And once you log in, go to Marketplace, and the way you look for products, obviously, you can see all sorts of niches: arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, computers, internet. Those are information products that have to do with helping people make money online, helping people, get better at certain skill sets. Tons of different products, obviously: education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, health and fitness, home and garden, foreign languages, so on and so forth. So once you pick the niche, for example, weight loss. You can go and promote something, especially if you have existing audience of people want to be healthier, they want to lose weight, they want to be more fit. The best way to search for products is by going and typing the main keyword such as weight loss or diet, and you'll find that there is a switch here: sort results by gravity. You always want to go by gravity. Gravity basically means what are the most popular products on ClickBank, at the moment. And the more affiliates are pushing certain product, that means more people are making money, more people are making sales, and that particular product converts better. That's what we want. So check this out. You can go and look for products that are related to your audience. And there's a couple of best sellers that I know I promoted in the past. Like, for example, let me see if I can find this product. Weight loss. All right, so keto diet. Okay, for example, this product right here, the Red Tea Detox. This product actually has a rebill, right? And it pays on average $22.56. So in order for you to make $100 a day, you need to make 5 sales a day, right? Not complicated, but again, you can look for a product that pays more. And again, this is showing us by gravity. The more popular products would be on the top with the higher gravity. So this gravity score is 426.95, Cinderella solution, and it pays $34. So that means you can make 3 sales a day and you'll make, $100 a day. Now, they pay by direct wire. They do send checks, paper checks as well, at least in the United States, as far as I know. For other countries, you probably want to contact them and ask them. But they are very reliable when it comes to payments. Usually they pay every 2 weeks. And with that, hopefully you got some ideas. There's tons of different niches. You could be promoting different products on ClickBank. They make, it's over $1 billion in sales just on ClickBank. So let's go to the second network. All right, second network, guys, is Jvzoo. It's a huge marketplace, mostly internet marketing related products, digital products, also software and tools. So for example, video templates, it's basically tons of affiliates and tons of product owners on this site. And they pay via PayPal. They pay directly to you via PayPal once you connect your PayPal, but I believe they also pay by check. I normally just select PayPal option. So you could be looking here under Marketplace. There's different categories: business and finance, education, entertainment, gambling systems, health and fitness as well, like I showed you on ClickBank, internet marketing, make money online, mobile applications, mobile installs, mobile apps, publishing, self-improvement, software, writing, and speaking. So tons of different products. Payouts a little bit higher. So you definitely want to check out Jvzoo. Lots of my business partners launch products there, and they made a lot of money on this platform. So definitely highly recommend it for you guys to check out Jvzoo if you want to promote something in those niches. Definitely easy to get approved. As far as like your affiliate account, not too hard to get it approved. So, and I believe they open in many countries, not just United States and Canada. So with that, let's go to network number 3. All right, are you excited yet? ClickBetter, affiliate network number 3, used to be called ClickSure. Now on ClickBetter, I made a lot of money. They have a lot of different internet-related marketing products, make money online, but also they have crypto offers, cryptocurrency offers, and payouts are really good, and they pay pretty fast too. They pay every week. Once you push in traffic and you're making money, you can negotiate higher payouts if you're pushing a lot of traffic for a particular product and you're getting conversions. So definitely want to check out ClickBetter. Not too hard to get approved. Again, I definitely recommend having a website, or if you have already audience that follows you, like on social media, like a YouTube channel or maybe a fan page or something like that, you should be able to get approved without any problems. They'll check your, what you got going on, right? So ClickBetter has lots of different products as well. Arts, entertainment, home and garden, mostly digital products, self-help, software, again, gaming, e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, foreign languages. And they, like I said, they have fast setup, start promoting right away. You get complete stats of your campaigns. You have, there's no sign-up fees. You can promote anywhere. Weekly payments, like I told you, every single week you get paid. Stats and all that jazz, like it comes with any CPA network, any other affiliate network. Really cool platform for you guys to check out. So let's go to number 4. All right, Warrior Forum. Warrior Forum is something that a lot of people say it's for newbies when you're just starting out, but you know what? A lot of times you can find really cool products, especially like in internet marketing niche. Lots of I would say some people sell PLRs, resell lights products where you can buy a product and you can sell it as your own. But at the same time, lots of great offers and a lot of cheap offers that you could be promoting, and they can work really well. So for example, something that you can use as a lead magnet for your funnel, something you can use as a bonus, something you can use as a giveaway for your subscribers. Lots of really cool products, like email lists, solo ads, different lead magnets, like it's such like graphic packs like you need for the website, like with all those crazy graphics. Instead of like paying somebody $100 for design, you can buy it like the whole package for like $20 or like $7.95 or something like that. So definitely check out Warrior Forum. Has lots of cool products that your subscribers, your following is definitely gonna appreciate. Lots of garbage too, by the way. So you definitely want to do your research. You will go to marketplace, see what's converting. So as far as applying, very easy, simple process. As far as getting paid, you can get paid by PayPal. All right, so you can integrate PayPal, and they can send you money, your commissions to your PayPal in real time, just like Jvzoo. All right. So definitely check out Warrior Forum, and with that, we're gonna go to the next network. Meanwhile, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. And the next network is ShareASale. So this is mostly physical products, retail giants, Nike store, NBA store, like big, huge stores. Even like Target and Walmart has like different products that they link through ShareASale. So the commission payouts not as big because those are physical products, so margins are very, very thin. But at the same time, it might be the right fit for your audience. It might be the right fit for what you're doing online. So payouts could be anywhere from like 2% up to like 10%. But those are well-known brands, so it's easier to sell them because everybody knows those house brands. So definitely check out ShareASale. Again, it helps if you have an audience to get approved, but I believe ShareASale is not too hard to get approved as an affiliate to promote their products. So hopefully you got some ideas going on. Meanwhile, click the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. Let's go to the next network. You ready? All right, the biggest granddaddy of them all is obviously Amazon Associates. The huge conglomerate, the biggest company in the world, e-commerce platform. You guys know Amazon. I don't have to explain it to you what Amazon is. We're gonna get drone deliveries pretty soon, delivered to our house. All the packages. It was Amazon Prime, probably the same day or within an hour or less. Who knows? We'll see. Now, they have affiliate program. If you sign up, if you go to main Amazon site, you can sign up for their affiliate program. All sorts of products, obviously, anything in the world is an Amazon when it comes especially to physical products, obviously. Payouts are obviously marginal because those are fixed price products, physical products. You can't really like get 100% commissions, 50% commissions, which I'm gonna explain to you like a different network, that private network I'm using that actually pays me 50% commissions, high ticket commissions, up to $12,000. So this is why I'm focusing mostly on my private network as opposed to, for example, Clickbank or anything else like that. But Amazon Associates is probably the biggest network. It is the biggest network. Not too hard to get approved for. Obviously, you need to go through the process to apply as an affiliate. As you can see, you join, then you start advertising, you earn commissions, 10%, commissions. And obviously, they pay out. There is a wait period of, I believe, 30 or to 60 days before you get your first commission check. All right, so definitely check it out. If you have a right audience and the right products, there's all sorts of products in the world, so this might be the right fit for you. Now, the other network I'm talking about, that one pays me directly, right? Like every single week with certified checks. Or they can also do wire as well. Anyways, definitely check out Amazon Associates because this is a $1 trillion business. You know what I mean? So with that, let's go to the one more network, two more networks, and we're gonna wrap up. So meanwhile, what are you waiting for? Click subscribe button. Click the subscribe button below, and we'll talk about next network. All right, one of my faves, Cash Network. Cash Network. I love the name. I love the payouts. They pay more aggressively. They have very good payouts. So you can see maximum payouts, unlimited possibilities. Now you could join them as advertiser, meaning you have a product to promote, but also obviously you can promote as an affiliate, like I do. We teach affiliate marketing, so therefore Cash Network has lots of affiliate products, all sorts of niches, but especially lots of products in BizOps space and make money online. One of the most, probably the most aggressive payouts in our industry. So definitely check out Cash Network. Approval process is a little bit harder. They're not usually looking for newbies, but more for people with experience. So therefore, people like in my inner circle, in my coaching group, people that learn internet marketing, where I teach every single week for free, for my inner circle members, people that join me in my other program, they actually, those people, some of them that are ready to join, for example, something like Cash Network to monetize their traffic, it's a little bit easier for them to get approved as opposed to for like if you're watching this brand new person, like I was many years ago, it might be a pain in the butt to get approved. But anyways, that's just so you know, there's this network that has lots of those products. So let's go about one more network, and I'm gonna tell you something very important towards the end. All right, I changed my mind. This is plenty of networks for you guys to really keep yourself busy probably for the next 10 lifetimes with all those networks, millions of products, millions of offers, tons of different niches. But like I mentioned before, the reason I focus on higher ticket commissions where I get paid up to 12,000, I get paid 6,000, 2,500, $1,000 commissions as opposed to like small $10, $20 commissions, because obviously leverage. With only one sale, I could be already at $12,000 a month. And as you can see, this particular network, it's a private network, $266,000 in sales in less than 2 months. And as far as I remember, we were away for 3 weeks in Europe when I started promoting this particular offer. So massive leverage. They also have people that help new members on the phone. They actually help you close the sales as well, which is massive leverage. So less traffic, higher commission payouts. That's how I operate. I always look for leverage, and you guys always get leverage when you have those systems in place, especially people closing sales for you. So I have an inner circle membership. I have inner circle where I teach this stuff more in depth, traffic sources, conversion tactics, all that stuff, video marketing. But it's only for members only. So if you guys want to check it out, I'm probably gonna place a link below the video. If you want to check out this particular offer that pays you up to $12,500 commissions, which is life-changing income for probably most of you guys. So otherwise, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take massive action, and I'll see you on the top.